Welcome once again. This is lesson number 9. In lesson number 8, we were looking at class Mammalia, which I said that have mammary glands, among other characteristics that I was able to mention earlier on. Right about now, I would like us to look at the last class under phylum Chordata, and that is class Aves. I said it earlier on that class Aves are majorly the birds, and the common birds that we know are the ducks, the goose, turkey, among others. I may not need to mention all of them. These birds occupy different parts within the biosphere. That includes the terrestrial habitat. That's a big number occupies the terrestrial habitat, while there are some birds which occupy the aquatic habitat. That is due to their mode of feeding and adaptive mechanisms which enable them to move easily from one point to the other. The general characteristics of organisms that belong to class Fs is that they have beaks. Beaks form the external part of the mouth, and this enables them to be able to feed on different kind of foods that they are adapted to feed on. They also have hollow bones that makes them lighter, and it enables them to fly easily, and because they are lighter as a result of that. Apart from that, there are some birds which may not be having very light bones, hence they cannot be able to fly, but that is now just an exemption to some few birds such as guinea fowl, hens, ducks, among others. Characteristic number 3, they have feathers that cover their body, hence protecting the body from losing too much heat to the external environment, and also it protects the body from being scorched by very strong sunlight. Characteristic number 5, their hind limbs are modified to have some scaly appearances which makes them hard. When I talk about the hind limbs, in this case, I'm referring to the legs, the ones that they are using for walking, but the wings are referred to as the forelimbs. They also have a double circulatory system, given that they have 4-chambered heart. And the double circulatory system, I don't think I need to explain it much more, because I already talked about it earlier on when I was talking about class Reptilia. The last one, the birds have got an internal fertilization, and they lay eggs. Internal fertilization is the type of fertilization whereby it takes place within the body. Then it may result into maybe laying eggs, and maybe it may result into giving birth directly to a young one. That marks the end of this lesson under class F's organisms. That marks the end of our lesson for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that you're going to meet in our 10th lesson, whereby I'll be introducing a new topic, that is ecology. Thank you. Like,